Hello and welcome back to day 5 of Leh and Ladakh. And today we are going to hot springs and do some activities around Nubra Valley.
Looking forward to some
Can you
exciting
be a little more
rides.
enthusiastic?
Looking forward to some exciting rides and water springs.
Yay!
Yeah.
Do yay!
Yeah.
Pranav, show me some energy. See, I really have to work hard to make him talk on camera or even be in front of him. We reached the activity spot and we are doing cycling. Here we go. Yes, single, single. Are you excited, Sharma? There you go. Cycling. So we are making a quick pit stop at Sumo Sand Dunes. Mostly people go to Hundo Sand Dunes, they don't come here. But you can actually come here as well. It's very peaceful. Take a look. This landscape, it's 360, no interruption, literally. Yeah, I need my phone for a second. You see those? The snowy ones? Do you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have them right here. They're right here. Yes!
Okay.
You are on knee camera. Hi. Now we are on our way to Sandstelling Monastery. We've reached. Take a look around. Let's go. I brought my jacket out from the car because we are in a temple and I don't mind being a little modest in temple. Look at these paintings. This is the new temple of Sandstelling Monastery. It's very quiet. No one's here except me and Pranav. And there he is, trying to meditate, but got disturbed by his phone. So, not really meditating. We have reached the hot springs and we took the tickets. That's the boys' changing room and washroom. This one is girls. So now I'm gonna change and then we are gonna go to the spring. Okay, let's go. Before I could change completely, I changed my denims. And my husband told me that it's really, really hot. He's tested it. And it is indeed very hot. I don't know how this man is standing there. But yeah, no. It's hot. The water is hot, the weather is hot. It's really hot. Let me show you around. Having fun, honey? So we came back from the springs, quickly changed and everything. It was really hot. The sun is, it's only 16 degrees and it actually feels like it's 35, 40. It's, and also we came back to the trek towards the Yarab Su. It's a lake, it's very, very beautiful. But the problem is the trek is, it's very sunny. And doing the trek in this heat is going to be a little difficult. But we are also doing something even more crazier. We are having this butter tea, which is like very famous here, and we are trying this in this heat. It's pink. It's pink. Interesting. tastes like butter.
Tastes like soup,
Soup, butter soup.
mushroom soup. Really thin, cream, mushroom cream soup.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
ये गाय के दूध से बनता है?
Nice, it's interesting.
We are enjoying mok mok. They called momos mok mok. And this is the tea, which I don't think I can finish because it's really hot.
Once we are done with this, I'm going to try and gather all the courage I can to do the. It's a small trek, but the sun is making me not want to go. So we are not doing the walk or the small trek to Yarabsu because the sun is really harsh and there is no wind as well to kind of even it out. And I can do winters, I just can't do this much of sun. Recently I had a sunstroke and I got fever straight for 2 days, so I do not want that to be repeated because I still have Pangong, Hanle, Sumoriri and Zanskar to see. So yeah, Yarabsu is out there and I'm gonna see it in somebody else's reels, but that's okay. That's okay. It's a wise decision that we are going back. Yeah? What do you think, babe?
I think yes, controlling your impulse is good by identifying the risk, the measuring the risk.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what happens when you travel with a mature man. But it's okay. It was my call. He left it on me. It was my call. I said let's go back because I can't. I'm weak. Bye. Yarabsu. So we've reached this sand dune festival at Hunda Sand Dunes. The part that I really enjoy is the weather, which is really nice right now. If only it had been like this when we were trying to go to Yarabsu, but we came to the Artisan Bazaar again and this is the vibe right now. It's 8 p.m. and this is what the sky looks like at 8. The days are so much longer here and quieter, peaceful. Now we've just come out of the Artisan Bazaar and we are going back to our hotel. We'll then change and then again we'll go back to the bazaar and chill there for as long as we want to because there is a live show going on like I showed you and it was really fun. So we are gonna go back, but as for you all, this is the end of day 5 in Leh and Ladakh. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.